Why this difficult? Oh, get this. What is up, everybody? This is SEOUL in Yoo-hoo. Welcome back to my channel. Freezing winter has come, so I know you guys are looking for amazing moisturizers. So in today's video, I gather all the 16 viral moisturizers and do the moisturizer World Cup. So everything, I bought it with my own money, so no reason for me to lie. Every product I'm mentioning today, I put the hydration level from 1 to 3. 1 is more like a water, very lightweight, and 3 is very thick like a Vaseline. So it will be also helpful for you guys to pick the best moisturizer for you guys. So watch this video until the end and become glass skin with me. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe, like me, and put the notification bell so don't miss out my new videos. Ready? Let's get started. Round 1. Boom! Medicube the family. Okay, and like the Viral King Medicube family, and it's gonna be 2 different collagen. So collagen jelly cream versus collagen capsule cream. Boom! Definitely, no doubt, this one win. But hydration level, this collagen cream was between all 16 different moisturizers. This is the most highest, because this one feels almost like a Vaseline. I just cannot understand and why people are loving this and why people are using this. If you're oily combo skin, you will just really hate this. Like my hair all stick there. It just feels like I'm putting like Vaseline. So I understand that one is like pretty much occlusive and very thick texture, but I don't feel it's like moisturizing like inside. So it's just viral product, and only if I have to just please save your money, stop it, would be this. This is like the worst between all of it. Okay, so just go home. In terms of the collagen, I'm not sure if it go inside that well or anything like that about anything about that, I don't know. But if I have to pick one, so easy. This one better. If you love devices, all the Medicube product, I think they also think about it and made it. So really good for rolling. The texture feels great. So round 2, another viral princess would be Dr.Althea versus Beauty of Joseon Dynasty Cream. These two, I would just pick Beauty of Joseon. Not that easy, and to be honest, very similar. So if I do the blind test, I cannot, to be honest, I think I cannot really recognize it, because like texture wise, and then like almost no scent, very similar. So whenever you roll it, kind of similar, the texture similar, but if you leave it for a while, this Beauty of Joseon stays a little bit longer. So, you know, moisture. And one thing I don't really like about this moisturizer is I just don't like this Instagram style packaging, because it just got too much loss in there. And this is and I saw at the Amazon Beauty of Joseon, they make this cream as a tube, and this tube would be no problem because this cream is not that heavy. So also the packaging wise, I like this one a bit better. So this win. So Aestura versus ILLIYOON, both are under Amore Pacific and very similar, cause also has a little capsules in there. So when you guys are rubbing it, you have to like rub it enough to get the ceramide to go inside there. And both has a ceramide, so it can help you restore your skin barrier. So these two, ILLIYOON win. Not easy, because you know, both I loved it. And this one of my holy grail for many years. And I already checked it out the price, and this is almost like a $35 US, and this is on the sale and almost like $11 US. Definitely this win, because you can use this for the body and face, this one only for the face. So if I think about if this Aestura is like twice better than ILLIYOON, I don't think so. So it's a similar, then price-wise, and maybe I become a mom, so I can use this for face and body to my baby and me, all family cream, so I will give better point for that. Match 4 goes with the Anua versus Vita Capsule Cream. Not easy. Both I see all over social media. Pretty good. I think if you're oily combo skin, I think you will like this more. But since I am more dry, mature skin, I like Vita better. This pretty good. Pretty good. I will give pretty good point because it's like easy to like use it. Still, like, you know, even though I have so many other moisturizers at home, I put this at home and then I kind of find it myself reaching very often because it's easy to apply, absorb so quickly, great before makeup too. It's great, but this, in terms of the capsule cream, it has like a boba and like gel together. So whenever I apply it, it feels really cooling. And definitely compared to other like normal moisturizer, it feels definitely moisturizing pretty well. So I think it's worth it. It's like, I was kind of skeptical. Capsule cream is just like too much Instagram, TikTok style. But whenever you apply on your face, you kind of understand the hype. So, Vita win. And so another capsule cream is Medicube Vita C versus Mixsoon Bean Cream. So just like I said, Medicube, I don't know about the other products, but their capsules are pretty okay, working pretty well, good moisturizing. But Mixsoon Bean Cream, this were pretty, this is my second one, so I was just gonna get Mixsoon better. Another thing is my sister, Sophie, really sensitive skin. What she only uses all around is a La Roche-Posay B5, and whatever I gave it to her, she didn't finish it because her skin like sensitive, like only it feels like too like it doesn't work for my skin. Like, can you just buy La Roche-Posay again? But she just finished one of this, which means it's working pretty well, okay for the sensitive skin too. It just comes with a jar, but it's like not that heavy. It feels like a between lotion and cream. So, and if you apply a little more for the dry skin, also working pretty well too. So I feel this is kind of more like an all-rounder. And another viral, Reju-All PDRN versus Madeca cream. Boom, this win. My tier list video, I gave this pretty good tier because I kind of like the texture. But one thing I just don't like it is the scent. And when you think about if I'm using to my customers, to random people, that can be a little not a that good point. And the price wise also, you know, little more amount of this. But I cannot agree with at the TikTok videos like this will be make your skin time reverse. This is like a magic. I don't think so. It's just like a good, well-made moisturizer, working pretty well, but not like time reverse. But this, anyway, win. Next match, Panthenol Soothing War. So these, boom, Anua Barrier versus Purito Panthenol. So these two, I would give the more point to Purito. Anua, this is just okay, but the difference about I want to give more point to this because when you think about the Panthenol creams, it's better, good for the skin barrier. So usually too heavy, like thick texture. So oily combo skin, it's not that like it's not that okay for them. But this definitely I can recommend confidently for the oily combo skin or acne prone because it feels more like a little light gel, very lightweight and also kind of cooling. So tropical weather girlies, try it out. Where's the hype? And match 8 go with the Dr.G Soothing Cream and Laneige Hyaluronic Cream. These two, if you check it out the texture, this feels more like a light gel. This one feels like a light gel to more like a more like the cream. But on my skin, I felt Dr.G go a little more long lasting. So I'm just gonna give a little better point with this. Which is really similar is a Toriden cream, and also Numberzy #1 cream, also pretty similar. So if you guys are oily combo skin or gentlemen, also You guys can also try it out. Here we go. Let's get last one with 8 different products. So Medicube capsule versus Beauty of Joseon. Not easy. Oh, get this. I checked the price right now. Definitely capsule a little expensive. But I think you just don't buy the product because it's cheap. And I think this is also a pretty good one, but I think it's just too plain. Too plain moisturizer. So I don't really use the Medicube device that much, but if you actually have one, you know, I love the pink. It's just pretty, and definitely it's kind of fun to apply together with a gel and capsule. And hydration level pretty 2.7. So that one also pretty good. Definitely a little more moisturizing than this. So for my dry mature skin and for the gift, I will pick Medicube capsule. And this two, oh my god, I think I love capsules. So these two, okay, I'll pick this. Beauty of Joseon, I didn't see really that strong point to win the prettiness of the Medicube. But these two, if I compare and if I think about the price, I can use this with my baby and for me, and like $11 when they're on sale. And this one like $20 to $30-ish. This one win. It's too strong. Ceramides are a nightmare to formulate. They usually just turn into powder. But ILLIYOON cracked the code. Using their patent Derma on tag, they pack pure ceramides into these tiny capsules. That's the secret to instant skin barrier repair. They even list the concentration in ppm. Why? Because they've got way more than the competition. Confidence. Stop guessing, start glowing. One thing I just don't like it is pretty thick. So you have to do that. Exercise your muscle to just get it. But definitely if I put it on the face and test it, hydration level, great. Safe for body, face, all family. It's too strong. These two, boom. Wow. I know definitely great one, but I checked all the ingredients. So this has a retinol. So if you love retinol, that can be the great point. But that's why on my pregnancy, I cannot use that. So, and for anybody who has a really sensitive skin, I'm not gonna give this to my sister. So for overall, I was just gonna pick Mixsoon Bean Cream. And also hydration level, pretty good. And these two, easy. Purito win. I understand Dr.G, like long time bestseller here too. But on my skin, definitely I feel a little more moisturizing than that. And this has a pretty good cooling effect. And now is a season you have to work with your skin barrier. Then Panthenol, why not? Another difficult time. So let's get it. Let's get it with these 4. This Medicube. Oh my god, the last 4 babies. So these 4 babies, it's nothing sucks. Everything is pretty good. I love it too. But I have to find one winner. So don't get me wrong. So these 2, wow, boom. Okay, easy again. I think I'm not the person who really care about the price whenever I buy something else, but after I become mom, I think I have to think about if I can use to my baby together. I think that's also important. So in that wise, ILLIYOON, amazing family cream. This one's great, but in a price wise, like safety wise, if I can recommend to more people, to moms and babies and children, teenagers, this. And they also have their lotion version. At the global, this is more popular, but in Korea, #1 got their ILLIYOON lotion. So anybody didn't try it out and living in the tropical weather, lotion would be better. So ILLIYOON. And these two, not easy. Not easy. Why this difficult? I think more oily combo skin, or if I'm giving to my husband, I'll give this. But for me and my sister to mom, this. So Mixsoon Bean Cream. Wow, I didn't expect this. Pretty working well, and Mixsoon, very safe for sensitive skins too. So worth it. worth it. So these two, the last two, what should I do? I think the price wise, of course, this win, but on my skin wise, this win. So for these two, okay, just Mixsoon being cream. Wow, I didn't expect this. But very good hydration level, and for the super sensitive skin, for like really like for very dry skin too, pretty works well. So overall, Mixsoon Bean Cream got the #1. Okay. So did you guys enjoy that? So hopefully this video was also pretty helpful for you guys sorting out the product for your skin. And anything you wanted to see at the next video, please put it at the comment. Okay? I bought a Santa cape to get into the Christmas spirit. I thought a cape would feel less stuffy than real clothes, but nope, turns out it was too hot for my 140-day-old baby. Oops, sorry. In the end, she gave us her biggest smile only after Daddy started flying her around. Hope everyone had a joyful time with the people they love most this Christmas. So thank you. 감사합니다. Thank you so much. Always coming to say hi to me and then being my subscribers. I love you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. 안녕!